Hey there, this is Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to make homemade onion soup mix. The reason for that is in the fridge there is a pork roast calling my name. So we're going to get started. I'm going to make my onion soup mix tonight so that it's all ready to go in the morning. And then I'll show you how to make the best pork roast First thing you're going to need is a jar and a lid. You're going to need some minced onion, some onion powder, some parsley flakes, some turmeric. Now turmeric, that's specifically to me. Turmeric is extremely good for you and it adds a nice color. Paprika, some celery seed, some ground pepper, and some beef bouillon. Oh, and sea salt. That's what you're going to need. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is get some minced onion. We're going to need 3/4 of a cup. So we're going to call that 3/4 of a cup. We're going to need 3 teaspoons of parsley. One, 2, 3. 1 tablespoon. And 1 teaspoon of your onion powder. 2 teaspoons of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of celery seed. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Oh, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sorry about that. 1 teaspoon of sugar. You could probably leave that out. It probably won't make that much difference. 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. So we're just gonna, y'all know I like pepper anyway, so we're just gonna use my handy dandy grinder till I think I got 1/2 teaspoon. This is so awesome! Okay, we're going to call that 1/2 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of paprika. And 1/3 a cup of beef bouillon. Now I don't have a really good bouillon, but it's what I got, so it's what I got to use. Yeah. Oh, where's my lid? There's my lid. Give this a good shake. Alright, we're just shaking the onion mix. Shaking the onion mix like Randy shakes his butt rub. There you have it. This is it. Onion soup mix ready to go. And what you do is 4 tablespoons equals about what you would get in one of those packets. But you know, after you use it once, then you'll know whether you need to adjust or, you know, do something different. If you decide that it needs something else, put something else in it. If there's something in there you don't like, take it out. Your kitchen, your spices. But this is awesome stuff, just like it is. So try it this way and then adjust however you feel like you need to. Have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow when I make that pork roast. Bye.